Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tag Botany. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon to get more and more videos from this channel. Friends, today's topic is floral formula. So let's begin with the question, what is floral formula? It is symbolic and numerical representation of various floral parts. So which are the various floral parts? Bracteoles, bracts, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. These are the various floral parts. So their representation by using symbols and numbers is nothing but the floral formula. It also furnishes information regarding symmetry, sexuality and interrelationship of various floral parts, namely calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So floral formula gives us information regarding symmetry of the flower, that is whether the flower is having radial symmetry or bilateral symmetry, sexuality of the flower, that means whether the flower is male, female or bisexual, and interrelationships, that means cohesion and adhesion between the floral parts. It is convenient to describe a flower by a simple and concise formula. So for our convenience, we describe the flower in a concise, that means short way, by giving the floral formula. Numerology of symbols. So what is numerology? Numerology is the branch of knowledge that deals with the magical significance of the numbers. A number put just after the symbol represents the number of parts in that particular whole. If the parts of a whole are united or fused, then the number is bracketed or written in parentheses. For example, if 5 sepals are present in the whole, is represented by K subscript 5, and if united, then it is represented by K subscript 5 in bracket. So the bracket represent the union or the fusion. If there are more than one whorl of an organ, they are represented by some of their representative parts. If a flower has 3 whorls of 5 stamens each, then the androecium is represented by A 5 plus 5 plus 5. If one organ is united with other organ, then an arrow is made. It starts from the top of one symbol and ends on the top of the symbol for the other organ with which it is united. For example, if each of the 5 petals bears the stamen, the union of 2 organs is represented as C5, A5 and the arc or the arrow. So that is called as union between different floral parts. The epigynous condition of a flower is represented by a line placed above the number of carpels, while its hypogynous condition is represented by underlining the number of its carpels. For example, the epigynous flower with 5 carpels is written as G5 and the line on the top, and the same type of hypogynous flower with 5 carpels is written as G5 and underline. The missing organ is represented by putting a 0 or 0 in digit after its symbol. If the number of organs in a whorl is more than 10, its symbol is followed by the mark of infinity. Now let us study the symbols used in construction of a floral formulae. If we understand these symbols, then we can easily construct a floral formula. So there are 2 columns, symbols in one column and full form in another column. BR dot, that means bracteate condition. EBR dot ebracteate condition. Ebracteate means the flower without bract. BRL dot means bracteolate condition. That means flower is having bracteole. EPIK, that is epic dot, means flower is having epicalyx. For example, in Malvaceae, epicalyx is present. 0 in digit or 0 in words means absence of a particular whorl. Infinity symbol means indefinite number of floral parts. Then circle and plus, that is actinomorphic or regular condition, and percentile symbol means zygomorphic or irregular condition. Then moving further, K means calyx or sepals, C means corolla or petals, P means perianth or tepals. So perianth means when the calyx and corolla are not differentiated, that floral part is called as perianth. A means androecium, that is stamens. G means gynoecium, that is carpels. Then this male symbol means unisexual staminate or male flowers. Then female symbol unisexual pistillate or female flower, and both, that is bisexual flower. Parenthesis or bracket represent cohesion of floral parts. What is cohesion? Cohesion means union between the unit members of same whorl. That means union between sepal and sepal, union between petal and petal, union between stamen and stamen is called as cohesion. Then P and A and arc, that is called as epiphyllous stamens. C and A and arc, that is epipetalous stamens. G underline hypogyny, that is ovary superior. G and bar in front of G, that is perigyny, that means ovary half inferior. Then G and on the top line, that is epigyny, ovary inferior. G in bracket 2, bicarpellary syncarpous condition, and G in bracket 2 and underline, that is bicarpellary syncarpous, ovary superior. G subscript 2, that is bicarpellary apocarpus, that means precarpels. K 2 plus 2, that means presence of two whorls of calyx, each of two sepals, that is Brassicaceae family. C 1 plus 2 plus 2 in bracket, that is presence of three distinct groups or types of petals forming the corolla in a single whorl. So that is Papilionaceous corolla. P 3 plus 3 means presence of two whorls of perianth, each of three tepals, for example Liliaceae. A 5 plus 5, that means presence of two whorls of stamens, each whorl of 5 stamens, for example Fabaceae. A 2 plus 4, that is 6 stamens, tetradynamous condition found in Brassicaceae. Tetradynamous means number of stamens are 6, 2 are short and 4 are long. A 2 plus 2, that is didynamous condition found in Lamiaceae. So number of stamens in didynamous condition is 4, 2 are short and 2 are long. A infinity and in bracket, that is monadelphous condition found in Malvaceae. STD dot, that is staminode. Staminode means sterile stamen. PISTD, that is pistillode, that means sterile carpel. A, G and union, that is arc, androecium and gynoecium united, called as gynostegium, found in Asclepiadaceae family, for example Calotropis. A 5 plus 5, presence of two whorls of stamens, each whorl of 5 stamens each, for example Fabaceae. A 2 plus 4, tetradynamous and didynamous, that we have seen. Then how to write floral formula? So by taking one example, I will tell you how to write floral formula. The example we are taking, that is family Brassicaceae general floral formula. EBR, ebracteate, EBRL, that is ebracteolate, then actinomorphic, bisexual, K 2 plus 2, that means sepals are 4, polysepalous and in two whorls of 2 each. C4 means petals are 4 and polypetalous. A2 plus 4 means tetradynamous condition. Stamens are 6, 2 short, 2 long. G, 2 in bracket and underline, that means carpels are 2, bicarpellary syncarpus and ovary superior. So hope you have understood this video. Thank you.